Today, we're exploring the importance of creating a global application. So, what does this mean? A global application is essentially an application that's deployed across multiple geographies. This can include various regions and edge locations, especially when we're talking about platforms like AWS. One of the key benefits of a global application is decreased latency. Now, latency refers to the time it takes for a network packet to reach a server. Consider this: it takes a noticeable amount of time for a packet from Asia to reach the US. By deploying your applications closer to your users, you significantly decrease latency, resulting in a much better user experience. Another crucial aspect is disaster recovery, often abbreviated as DR. In an event where an AWS region faces an issue, be it an earthquake, storms, power shutdown, or political factors, having a global application allows you to fail over to another region. This keeps your application running smoothly, increasing its availability and reliability. Lastly, let's talk about attack protection. A distributed global infrastructure is inherently harder to attack. This is because the resources and data are not centralized in one location, making it more challenging for any potential attacks to have a widespread impact. We delve into the intricacies of the global AWS infrastructure and its key components, vital for deploying and managing global applications efficiently. Firstly, let's talk about regions. In the AWS ecosystem, regions are fundamental for deploying applications and infrastructure. They are geographical areas that AWS uses to isolate and operate its cloud computing resources. By strategically selecting regions, businesses can optimize performance and comply with specific geographic requirements. Next, we have availability zones. These are subsets within AWS regions, consisting of multiple data centers that are engineered to be highly reliable and operate independently from other zones. Availability zones are interconnected with high-speed networking, enabling businesses to run production applications and databases in a highly available, fault-tolerant, and scalable manner. Lastly, we come to edge locations, also known as points of presence. These are essential for content delivery, aiming to deliver content as close as possible to the end users. Edge locations work in conjunction with Amazon's content delivery network service, Amazon CloudFront. This setup accelerates the delivery of data, videos, applications, and APIs to customers globally, with low latency and high transfer speeds. Let's dive into the topic of global applications in AWS and the various services that play a critical role in enhancing performance and reliability on a global scale. First, we have the global DNS service, known as Route 53. This is a highly scalable and reliable domain name system service designed by AWS. It's incredibly effective for routing users to the closest deployment with the least latency, which is fundamental for a seamless user experience. Additionally, Route 53 is instrumental in disaster recovery strategies, ensuring that applications remain accessible and functional during unexpected disruptions. Next in line is the Global Content Delivery Network, offered by AWS as CloudFront. CloudFront allows you to replicate parts of your application to AWS edge locations, significantly decreasing latency. This replication, combined with the ability to cache common requests, leads to an improved user experience and further reduces latency. It's a key service for businesses looking to provide fast and secure content delivery to their users globally. Another important service is S3 transfer acceleration. This is designed to accelerate global uploads and downloads into Amazon S3, Amazon's scalable storage service. By optimizing the transfer speeds, it becomes much easier and more efficient to handle large-scale data transfers across the globe. Lastly, we have the AWS Global Accelerator. This service enhances the global application availability and performance by leveraging the AWS Global Network. It's designed to direct traffic through AWS's most optimized paths, thereby improving user experience through consistent application performance and availability.